There is the door panel, and we will start off from the door handle side. Using the plastic trim remover tool, we will take out that plastic cover right there. Once the cover is out, right there is a 10mm screw that needs to be taken out. We'll be taking it out with 10mm socket and impact gun, but you can also use a round head ratchet and a 10mm socket if you want. Screw is out. Using the same tool, we will take out one more plastic cover right there, and there is one more 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. We'll also need to take out that switch cover right there. Once the switch cover is pulled out, behind the cover there is one big plug. We'll need to press and hold this white color tab and then pull the plug outwards. Bigger plug is out. Also take out the smaller plug which is at the bottom side. Press and hold the tab in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. With both plugs out, there is the switch cover separated. Behind the switch cover, notice there is one more 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. Now we will get to the bottom left corner of the door panel, and with some force we'll need to push the door panel outwards. We'll pull the other end as well. Also pull it from the middle side. Now lift the door panel upwards to take it out completely. We'll be needing more room to go behind the door panel, and for that we will need to pull both the harness from that bracket, and right there we have enough room to go behind the door panel. Pull out that white harness which is for the inner door lock. Also take out the black harness which is for the inner door handle. That plug right there is for the switch cover that we already took out earlier. Just need to keep it separated. With that, we are done taking out the door panel completely. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps we did and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.